Hello, welcome to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into a fun and user-friendly library brought to you by Clue. Get ready to add some color and life to your applications because today we are exploring the Emoji library. Here's the GitHub repository on your screen. You can also find the link in the description below. Let's look at the usage first. At its core, the library provides a simple way to parse and render emojis in your Java application. An emoji can be represented in four ways: a string, Unicode, hex code, and an image. The API provides a fluent way to fetch emojis from these representations. It also has utility methods which allow us to fetch emojis from a sentence containing text in Unicode. So without further ado, let's try to create a project and explore it further. As usual, we are going to use start.clone.io as it saves me a lot of time. I have pre-filled the text fields here. Let's go and generate the project. So once the project has been downloaded, you can open it in an IDE of your choice. I'm going to use IntelliJ IDEA for this first. So once the project has been opened in your IDE, the first thing we are going to do is to add the emoji dependency. So let's switch to the POM and add the dependency. Once the dependency is in place, we can switch to the main file. We are going to create a new root with a text area and an edge box. So let's quickly create the new root. And now we can replace this with the new root. Right? The alignment we need to be top center, and we'll keep the size 300 cross 200. Right? So the root contains a text area where we are going to type the text. The text is going to be converted into a combination of emojis and text, which we are going to then represent in the edge box just below the text area. Right? So the next thing we are going to do is to add a listener to the text property of the text area. So let's quickly add a listener, then add a null check to the value of the text property. Now here we get the entire text inside the text area, which we want to then convert into Unicode and try to get the Unicode text out of the string. So let's try to create a Unicode text method. So here we get the new value of the text area, and we split the entire sentence into words. And inside these words, we want to convert each of these words into its Unicode representation if it exists. In order to do this, we are going to call emoji data's emoji from shortcode method. And then we are going to append the Unicode uh, with the Unicode character, or we are going to come back at the word. And then after each of the words, we are of course going to append a space. So once we have the Unicode representation of the text, we are going to pass the new value to this method and then get the Unicode text out of it. So this text can be converted into a list of nodes by using the utility method text utils, and then we can pass this emoji text to it. So this is going to give us a list of nodes, and then we're going to add this list of nodes as children of the Xbox. Right? So let's try to run this application now. So as you can see, we have a text area, and just below the text area there is an empty region, which is actually an Xbox. Let's try to type something. Smile as today is a sunny day. So as we can see, the words which represent emojis like smile, a, and sunny have been converted into emojis, and the words which do not have a emoji presentation are kept as it is. The possibilities are endless, from enhancing user chats to adding fun notifications and much more. Emojis can truly bring an application to life. I encourage you all to explore this library further. The Gluon emoji library is a versatile tool to make your applications more lively and relatable to today's audience. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials.